Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is nnshapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. So in today's video we are doing a quick mini grocery haul. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. I post every Wednesdays and every Sundays. Also click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you'll be notified. So first up, we have this 1 kg of carrots. It was R$9.99. I bought it from Pick n Pay. And then I bought this Pick n Pay rusks. I actually got 2 boxes. You will not believe how much I paid for those 2 boxes. Just guess in the comment section and then I'll confirm towards the end of the video. I also bought this spaghetti, no name brand, from Pick n Pay as well. So it was buy 2 for 20 rand, and I decided to buy spaghetti and also take a packet of pasta as well. So you had to use your smart shopper card. I bought this pork. It's 27 rand 45 cent. It's pork chunks, I believe. I love pork. It's so easy to prepare, nothing complicated, nothing over the top. So yeah, it's great value for money. It's only 27 rand 45 cents. And then I got this bag of apples, guys. These apples are so big, and it was only 20 rand, guys. This red crisp True Cape apples were 20 bucks. And then I got this rooibos, pure rooibos tea. I normally drink this for milk and breastfeeding, so I've realized that it does help me when it comes to milk. So I take a cup or 2 a day, and it's really been working. It's been very, very helpful for me. I also got this from Pick n Pay. It was 23 rands, if I'm not mistaken, guys. I'm definitely sure it was nothing more than 25 rand. Then I have this bag of oranges. It was 12 rand 99 cents. So I got this pineapple, guys. Please do guess the price as well, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. It was 6 rand 99. Can you believe that? 6 rand 99, 7 rand. And then I bought this tuna. I love seafood. I'm a fan of seafood. I normally have it with bread. So yeah, I got it for 12 rand 95. Yeah, from Pick n Pay as well. I bought this butternut for my son. He eats solids now. It's one of his least favorite food, but it's good for him, so I cook it for him and I feed him. This was 10 rand on the dot. So I got this milk. My husband normally has this with his coffee. Full cream milk from Pick n Pay. It was 13 rand 99 or 95, not too sure. And then I got this brown bread. It was 10 rand 99. Had a little oopsie over there, but it's fine, we're okay. I love brown bread, guys. I'm not a fan of white bread. So for the moment you've been waiting for, those 2 boxes of rusks were actually 20 rand, not each, together. So basically it's 10 rand per box. Great prices, guys. All this grocery that I bought, this mini grocery haul that I bought, was less than 200 rand. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.